Namaste. I am Dr. P.S. Paneerselvam, one of the senior surgeon in Salem town. Really, we are very happy to conduct this time Association of Surgeons of India, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry chapter in Salem. We, the senior doctors, are really very happy and exhibiting a good enthusiasm so as to conduct this conference very successfully. Our youngsters are really very much interested in conducting this chapter of Salem Surgeons Conference in a very successful manner. We have made a lot of elaborate arrangement for welcoming you all, seniors and youngsters, the surgeons. At the same time, we know the amount of pain behind in running a conference and in conducting a conference. But at the same time, it is really a pleasant atmosphere and as well as an experience for all of us to have this get together. It's only for not only for the academic activities, but also this will help us for the ethical type of practice which we are going to have in our future. Because whatever we do, there should be some evidence. This time our main aim of conducting this conference is an evidence-based surgery. So this evidence-based surgery which is going to be there not only during this conference time, but also this will continue even after the conference in the form of a book, as our president Dr. Rajasekharan has clearly pointed out. So that will be useful for all youngsters and for the future budding surgeons at any given point of time. And we are making an elaborate arrangement for you to not only welcoming a good stay, pleasant atmosphere, a good entertainment program behind it. Everything is going to be a real memorable for all of you. So ultimately, as a senior doctor of this Salem town practicing for last 42 years, I am very happy to welcome all of you, not only for the conference, but also Salemites. We are really interested in giving a very good entertainment and a very good pleasant atmosphere by all means. So I request humbly all of you to take this as our personal invitation. So you come in numbers with the family, with your friends, and stay with us for more than 2 to 3 days, and that is going to be really very useful not only for the purpose of your academic activities, but also it will refresh your mind and gives you more enthusiasm for your future practice as a whole. So I thank you for having given me an opportunity to welcome you, especially to our AIC Salem chapter, and I am very glad to be there acquainted with you all for the forthcoming event. Thank you very much. We welcome you again, once again, to come over to Salem.